Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove filaments from Orcaslicer. So let's get straight into it. I assume that you have already opened this model. So what we are going to do next is find a section titled filament. So you will find it here on the left side. Now, what we are going to do is we will just move a little bit right here where you see this some settings for filaments. So here we have this minus and plus icon. So as you can already predict, what we can do is just click on it and we will basically delete the last filament. And this is how basically we can remove filaments from Orcaslicer with that button. We can also edit if we want, but yeah, this is the way we can do that. Right now, sadly, I can open this window here, the settings of the filament. So right here we can do the same thing, but it doesn't work, sadly. So, oh, okay, now it's working. So if you have here some custom filaments right here, you can click on them and then you will see the button to delete them. But yeah, uh, this is one way. So as you can see, we can create and yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next